Are you tired of the lessons that don't match your pace or the boring homework? Well, what if learning was just made for you at your speed with the topics you love and even the fun in the gamified network? Well, welcome to Thinksphere. Our AI-driven platform adapts to all unique interesting styles and the pace, transforming the education into a personalized journey. Imagine a curious student who is excited to learn, but the lessons are too boring or they're too fast. They raise their hands, but the teachers won't listen. They generally lag behind and the excitement fades. This is the reality of 1 million students in the one-size-fits-all education system. Every student learns differently, but the traditional approach, it forces them into the same mold, disregarding their unique strengths, their interests, and the learning needs. This results in the lower performances and the missing opportunities.
In response to diverse learning phases, we introduced ThinkStartup, an AI-based learning platform that personalizes education by analyzing students' learning styles, pace, and critical thinking. It provides custom-tailored content and gamified homework by combining AI with psychological insights to boost learning and performances. Our own trained machine learning models assess strengths and weaknesses, while a story-based video questionnaire is used to analyze the concentration level and the critical thinking of the user. Afterwards, it makes customized lessons and gamified homework according to the curriculum designed for the students. The key features includes adjustable teaching speed, focus enhancing colors and fonts, and providing lessons that connect the students' interests, making learning fun and engaging.
Unlike existing platform, Thinksphere AI offers personalized lectures based on individual learning style, pace, and critical thinking instead of offering generic content. Our unique blend of AI with adaptive learning, productivity analysis, gamified homework, and psychological insights ensure a highly engaging and effective learning experience which sets us apart from the existing e-learning platform.
Unlock the future of learning. For just $1.99, you can experience ThinkSpam for whole 2 months. Visit thekidcompany.com and search for UID, or visit our Instagram page and take your education to next level with personalized AI-driven lessons tailored just for you. Don't miss the chance to revolutionize how you learn.